So dear children, we are now today studying salinity of the water. As we know that river water salinity is lower than the sea water. So here we have fresh water. It is a 1 kilogram water I brought here. And in this water, first I will put this toy. What will happen with this? Just you check it. What happened? It sink into the water. Then I brought one potato also and I will put it in that. What happened? It also sink into the water. Why? Because the salinity is of this water is low. The density of the water is low. Understand? Now we will see. We will bring the sea water. Do you know in the word one sea is there? The name of the sea is there? Dead Sea. In that sea, even if we jump also, we will not sink into the water. The reason is there, high salinity. Means if we bring the 1 kilogram water from the Dead Sea, in that 1 kilogram of the water, how much salt will be present? Almost 340 grams salt. I brought here 340 grams salt and we will make an artificial Dead Sea water here. Okay, here I have this 340 grams salt with me. That's also called the sodium. Okay, now I will put it here into the water and we will make artificial Dead Sea water here. Okay, first I'm putting all this salt here in this. Now after that you can see the color also change. Stunning. Just like the sea water, it start looking. After that I will stir it. Now this is the artificial Dead Sea water. Okay. Now after this we will do the same thing. First I will put that toy. What happened with this toy when I put in the beginning? It already yes. Okay, now this time we will see. What happened this time? It started floating. Now next one you can see that this is potato. What happened this? It also start floating into the water. What could be the reason? Can you tell? What could be the reason? When we put the salt into the water, the density of the water increased, the salinity also increased. Yes, okay. So because of that, these things started floating on the water. So the reason is there in the Dead Sea why that the people are not going into the water, or why if you jump into the sea or that the Dead Sea water, why we are not going deep into the water? The reason is there, high salinity. How much is the salinity of that sea water? At 340 parts per thousand. How to read it now? Salinity of the sea water. 340 parts per thousand is the salinity of the Dead Sea. Understood? Got it now this one? What did I say? Now different sea or the ocean, their salinity will be different. For example, to the west of India, Arabian Sea is there. The salinity of the Arabian Sea you have to find out. Then to the southern part of the Indian Ocean is there. Find out the salinity of the Indian Ocean. To the east of the India, Bay of Bengal is there. Find out the salinity of the Bay of Bengal, that water. Understand? Again, Pacific Ocean is there, Atlantic Ocean is there. So salinity of this different sea or the ocean is a different. Understand? Depending on the temperature, so many different reasons are there for that. So the variation can be seen. Understood? Okay, fine.